Elders Corner.
My people, una welcome again to Elders Corner TV. And na me, Elder 101, na day here. Today, we supposed talk news, but I can't talk, say, make we talk something else instead of news. I want to talk something will happen to me for on New Year Day, will be on the 1st of January 2020. And I'm waiting, I want to share today. More than no worry, no go too long, because you know, say, once testimony for inside church, enter low and behold, just know, say, church no go quick close that day. But I go quick close for this one. Now, so the matter be. So now, make I just start am. On that day, on the 1st of January, this year, 2020, so, where we just dey enter, I can't receive phone call. I look my phone, they call from Nigeria. Some of them I know say, for now, I know they Nigeria. I go come Nigeria very soon. So, as the call just enter, I pick am. The next thing I hear now, Elder 101, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Oh, I can say, thank you very much, Happy New Year. I can't look my time. I can't notice that Nigeria is 5 hours ahead of where I did. So Nigeria use 5 hours, they enter New Year, we still get 5 hours to stay for the old year. As I did think out, before I know it, another fan come call us for Russia. I say, hey, Elder 101, Happy New Year, oh, Happy New Year. I check time again. Almost the same time with Nigeria. So, I can say, so Russia too don't enter New Year. And we still get like 5 hours to stay for the old year. Get us a bill. Now, so the whole thing can go. So, because of this thing, I can't begin to think. I can't say, this thing where they think, I go share them so that our fans and every other person where they watch us go know, say, I know say they go benefit from. Now, the matter which I want to try bring out for this whole thing be say, I think almost every continent of the world did different time zones. Almost all of them did different time zones. Now, you surprise say Nigeria and Africa, first US and Canada and many other countries enter New Year. Australia did their own time zone. Asia, all those Japan, Korea, all those people, some of them did 10 hours ahead of some countries. Australia did like 12 hours ahead of some countries. And that's so the thing they scatter. If you even go to US and Canada, some states did different time zones. Like for Canada, some like Alberta did different time zone with Ontario. The same thing with Manitoba and Nova Scotia. So, what we try to talk, we say, many countries did different time zone. No ask question, that's so God take one. Okay, now I don't understand that one, Abi. Now, make we narrow it down. The essence of this story, where they talk, we say, this new year where we enter now, I want to make all of us get this mindset so that we go live long. Just understand, say, the way every country, every continent, they different time zone. Now, so every individual, they different time zone. Even if two of them they live for the same house, on a time with God, na different time zone a day. Now, it can be say, God go bless one person in January, bless another person in October. So, no kill yourself. If you see, say, your friend get one kind blessing, you begin to grumble. Oh, no. Because you see, say, sometimes, wait till they try to say some of you, or rather, some of us, when you see somebody break through, you get a complain. This year, if any of your friend, your brother or your sister get admission, or a marry, or he get new job, or he get pikin, or he buy house, or he buy motor, no begin to ask God question. Because some of us, we sabi ask God question. Oh God, no beauty say I shall be the head and not go be the tail. Where are you now? Okay, where are you? You they ask God question like say that your mate. Just know, say, the fact say God they done for this person, my time zone they come. The only thing you need to do is to be happy and be alive so that you go feel rejoice when your own breakthrough finally come. Because that blessing, God must bless you if you they live right with them. If you do obey a commandment, God go do that blessing. He go do that way you say make you do. We don't notice say some of now women. You will say, this is the year of my marriage. This is the year of my this. Now, your friend come marry, you never marry. You go dey plan how to go collect that your friend husband. No do that one this year. No, say you and your friend no do the same time zone. Now it be the advice where would the advice for here. The same way, Nigeria and Africa first some countries enter New Year. Now the same way, some people go first get blessing before some people. So we don't want here say somebody jump from bridge, jump inside water, just because waiting he say may God do, he never get the answer. If you kill yourself for February and for God calendar, now April, you're supposed to get the blessing. Who lose? God lose or you? Now you lose because you don't kill yourself. So no go plan kidnap that your neighbor because he achieved something where you never achieved. Two of now, they different time zone for God's calendar. Because we don't hear and see some people 30 years, 32 years, don't they die of high BP. Blood pressure go just high because they think say God never done, God never done. No worry yourself, no think yourself to death. Just know say you and your neighbor na different time zone on a day. Make I shock you. Because say Nigeria and other African countries first US enter the new year, no mean say na Africa develop past US. Which are they try to be say, even if God bless your neighbor in February and he bless you for September, it no mean say his own blessing where God first bless and now you go better pass your own. After all, your own go down the old when your own go become new. So no worry yourself. They kill yourself, say, oh, he never blessed me, never blessed me. Ghana first Canada enter New Year, but Canada develop past Ghana. Waiting that thing tell you. So God's time now be the best. Just do what he say you do. Obey him. That blessing, it go bless you. That house you go buy him. That wife you go marry. The husband you go marry. No go thief person thing because say your neighbor don't get him. You can't carry gun, go rob bank so that you will get the money. Take do it your neighbor don't do. Make I surprise you again. The difference between last year and this year, now 1 second. For those of you now when watch the or where they do the countdown. You know, see, when time don't they 11:59, they begin count seconds from 10, count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They call say Happy New Year. What will be the difference? The difference between last year and this year now 1 second. So you know go take God 1 year to change your situation. Now just 1 second, God will take change them. If you know say this thing I just talk now, you like them and it makes sense to you. Try to share the story. Because you feel they save somebody who don't plan to die. You feel they save somebody now we don't plan say by April if God never bless me, I will commit suicide. And the blessing na June. So also try to subscribe to our channel because this kind of encouragement as they drop for our mind, we're going to share them because our plan this year now to make people happy and live a meaningful life. Now me Eda 101, I don't come out. Bye bye.
Elders Corner.